Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're going to quickly set up the Ollama chat model node inside our workflow application. This guide is specifically for connecting to an Ollama cloud account using an API key. We need to configure the connection credentials before we can run any models. Let's open the node settings and choose the option to Create New Credential. This opens the Ollama account connection setup. We have two main fields to fill out: the base URL and the API key. For the base URL, we will use the default endpoint, http://localhost:11434. Now we need to get the API key. For this, we must go to the Ollama website and sign into our cloud account. The documentation confirms that API keys are required for programmatic access to Ollama's cloud services.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, so go ahead and hit that button!
Go ahead and sign into your Ollama account. After signing in, look for the Keys section in your profile settings. Click Add API Key. It's a good practice to name your key. I'll call mine Swap Service Tech. Click Generate API Key. The API key is now generated. Copy the key securely. Remember, you typically only see this key once. Now return to your workflow application. Paste the copied key into the API key field. Click Save to create and store your new credential. With the credential saved, select it from the drop-down. Then choose the specific Ollama model you want to use for this node, for example, Llama 3:2. And that's it! Your Ollama chat model is now connected and ready to run within your workflow using your new API key. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.